kulama commission. Anyone who cannot who cannot protect him ufanele afe before. La mfana loyana wahamba nalamaye ma comrade wafika wavula icase. Kwaba ne case number ekhona in the public space against uCyril. No Premier Law was Eastern Cape no Raymond Zondo. That laba i3 lab bayenza ubugebengu leKuzondo Commission. Then leyo case number yabakhona wayenza ne-affidavit that this is how I was contacted by the senior leaders ze-ANC ze-province ye-Eastern Cape ukuthi mina ngihambise le mali ngihambisile ngiyidilivile but manje sengibonile ubugebengu lobu ngiyareport. One day the person who was bekayenza le case upolisa lakhona lamfonela lithi woza la eSpoiseni waya mafika eSpoiseni ufonela lo wecomrade lakhe namanje sikhona kulama video ahlala thunyelwa la kuma chat group amaningi wathi phela manje sengisenkingeni le police lelithi ngiwithdraw this case if ngisafuna ukuphila. BoCyril bathe if lo mfana lo usafuna ukuphila makayi withdraw leyo case mina ngiyalila. Lo phuthi lo phoyisa wafonela yena loyana wathi hey khuluma naye lo ngihlele naye la le case le izombulala maka withdraw this case. Loyana wathi Cyril naye ihlala a report amazuma izinto wrong nabantu bayamreport uZuma nawe abantu bayi-entertain wayaya Zuma nawasemakhoto. It's time for Cyril naye ecourt kanti the why what is wrong. Hayi after an hour or so uyafona uthi ngivalelekile kwenye indawo. I've been told ukuthi today is the last day ngeke nisaphinda ningibona. Ngicela uye ekhaya uyokhuluma no mntana kasisi wami Robert whoever wasendlini athatha ifoni encane inyana ekhona nimbone ama messages lawo bewakhona between mina nale yamali ukuthi kwenzakale indle yana engibulalayo today. Yonke into ilapha na kula phone mina angiyazi kungenzakala ningasaphinde ningibona namanje waphelela lapho or bambulale bamgubhela or bamenze njani. Cyril angazathi ngiqedile usho njalo ukubulele unathi umthetho bathi bekaphethe izinto eziserious kabi le bekafanele azovela kuMadlanga Commission including uMarikana that yes uCyril interfered nomsebenzi wethu eSAP.